As a filmmaker, my entire job revolves around capturing light. In a lot of ways, my whole career is just the eternal pursuit of light. Light is everything. It can make or break your shoot. It can turn a scene that looks like this into something that looks like this. So in order to make that happen, your schedule has to revolve around whatever the light is doing. If you haven't guessed by now, I live in a van. Her name is Patricia, and I love her. This is my home. This room right here is my bedroom, living room, office, kitchen, dining room, and yes, bathroom. What I love most about the van is that I can park my house wherever. So I just find wherever I want to shoot the next day, throw her in park, and that's home. Just one more thing. As soon as the sun rises over the horizon, it's go time. By 10 a.m. it's hot, so into the van I go. The light isn't good right now, but there's plenty of things to do. Slowly but surely the sun starts sinking back towards the horizon, and you know what that means. As the sun slips below the horizon, the shoot isn't over. You just have to create your own light. There's just something special about campfires. Some of my favorite memories have been made just sitting around a campfire with friends. The conversations get deeper, stories get funnier, and the distractions that overwhelm our normal everyday lives seem to fade away.
You wear me down.
And as the earth slowly rotates, a whole new world of light reveals itself. As tempting as it is to shoot all night long, learning when to put the camera down is just as important of a skill as knowing when to pick it up. After all, the sun will be back in the morning.
Sick! Woo!